My people, things they really happen. This story where I carry comment now about a 6-month-old baby where person defy. In fact, this one they very heartbreaking as I even talk am. Say waiting, na neighbor na commit this one. Carry your pikin come make I help you carry am. Your baby fine make I collect and carry am. Now where this man carry am? Not knowing say this man get bad intentions. Now there he carry this pikin now go destroy this pikin small thing. Oh, now no wetin come invest me on top this matter. These parents now no fit fight for their own justice because say wait, they no get money to carry this pikin, this matter go court. But before I continue, they can join me see.
Hi my darlings. See, I muted what I was saying because I was a bit mad at the time, but I'm doing this voice over. This is the beautiful 6-month-old baby. The 6-month-old baby was defiled by Victor Dixon, and he was released. His parents, his father was convinced that her father was convinced that he could not afford a court case, and so the case was thrown out. And this little girl was defiled, and she's in pain. You need to see her cringing when she's urinating because he chose to defile her. A 6-month-old baby. We have laws, and he will face the law of the land.
Now what? 6-month-old baby. I know you understand some people. I beg, what do you want derive from this place? Because which pleasure at all you want gain from a 6-month-old baby? Now this pikin don't dey in serious pain, and she no go fit open her mouth talk. Say now wetin happen be this? And wetin come dey vex me now? The person will be say okay, he come decide say okay, I won't carry this matter for head. That one na activist Yolanda George. I hear say the pastor where have been settle this matter, come they send death threats. They complain say hey, this woman get unforgiving spirit. Pastor, I don't understand you. Claim me say when this man rape this baby, they go report the matter to pastor. Pastor say okay, oh this one na just small sin. Say make the woman forgive. I beg. I don't understand some pastor. I don't know be how they sleep. I mean I crazy the warning as a pastor. How you go they give this kind of advice? If say na your own daughter they rape, now so you go talk say okay, oh, na small mistake, make they no carry the matter go court abi. Now you can't they defend them. They call another person, they talk say the person they heartless, the person they weak. This one no be about matter of that one. The person don't commit sin. Fine and good, you supposed to go face the law. No be say now can they use pastor, and now pastors say it like say they get ways of convincing people. Because I don't see why person go defile your 6-month-old baby. Pastor will come tell you okay, leave him, forgive him. God say make you forgive. He said go come accept. Even God, if say God dey on earth, he no go accept this one. By now, this man go down the face in judgment. So I don't see why now just they twist all this whole thing. People just they demonic in nature. They go just they hide things. Because me I dey look ashawo plenty. In fact, now ashawo don't full. You go even see ashawo 500 naira. Oh, you know look and so okay, make you go that side. Now a small baby. Where be say you know say after you even do this one, say, this pikin will continue to feel that pain for a long time. Now you can't decide say you won't go do this one for. Parents are still they talk, make and I know they trust anybody. Leave your pikin say you won't live on with any man or be woman. Even women now they do the worst of the worst. Make and I know they trust in a pikin with person because you don't know the mind of person. You don't know what the person they think now. But me I don't look at plus this pastor plus this person will be say rape the pikin. They're supposed to arrest them join. Because this pastor say I did very certain say now all this kind of pastor will be say he go down they follow him church member sleep. So he supposed to land inside jail. So that if he go there, make him go re-explain this suggestion when he give the person. Make we not say fine and good. The pastor say na fake pastor. Because how you go to hide from the truth? You know say this thing a bad thing. You can't they use God forgiveness. Say a person get unforgiving spirit. In fact, then this matter they vex me. Anyways, my viewers, now here I go end them on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story. Wahala don dey shele. I hear say one pure water driver don enter into a serious fight with VIO officials. That one will be vehicle inspection officers, and this one they happen inside Lagos. Claiming say this monthly salary, say every time we be saying go collect salary. Now these VIO people now they always use tie to collect the thing for hand. Because now so they always stop on for road every single day they extract money from your hand. And as he be in don't tire now, waiting make and decide say today he must fight send these people. For my viewers who never watch this one, make now follow me see.
This is wrong. It's a water bag now. See what is it?
You go faint, oh. You go faint, oh.
I won't die.
You go die. You go die. If you do what you're supposed to do.
See what you are doing. See what you are doing now. I won't die. Hello. Stop it.
Hello.
Thank God you say you know me. Today you don't know me. How much work am I doing? You know, some month I don't go collect salary because of these people. See what you are doing now. I won't die. See what is doing. See what is doing. I won't die. See what is doing. I won't die, man. I won't die. I want to die. You think I say? They don't even know me. Some month I know they collect salary. Now they chop the money. What's happening? What happened? See what you are doing now. You don't send the man saying you don't know me. What happened to this motor? You know that's okay. What happened to it? Every day, some month I know they collect salary. Because of this video, they don't know me.
Now, wow, hey, it be like say inside Nigeria, everybody don't craze finish. But if I look this matter when, plus the driver, plus these officials, now two of them, they wrong. And me, I don't look at this whole stopping of cars on top of road for no illegal reason. They're supposed to stop them. Because this thing, it dey annoy person. Person go even carry complete document, show all these people soon. They're not going to even answer all their own, what they want now money. Make money just enter their own hand. But where me and see say this guy, they wrong. Now the fact say, in go they bite them, these officials, they fight them. Me, I know say definitely, they don't frustrate and reach a level. Now why in decide to do this kind of one? Because how be say person go they pass there every single day on go they collect money for hand. So they on don't do to the fact say on don't spoil motor. On don't even pity person. Person they do in daily bread, they also on a legit level. People will be say be the criminals now no go hold them. People will be say they don't even know anything. Now I go they stop. I know be say na small money. Even if I thought this guy no get some kind of document, why be say on not even tell us okay, oh girl, you no get this paper. Go collect them, but because on accept because of the chicken change when they enter in hand. If no be so on accept be thief, now one they tolerate all these kind of things. Now one they make and they happen for road. And when this guy they even shout saying one that on accept they support and say on go help and kill him. I beg which kind of officials they talk like this? I think all these VIO people. I think say during ambo they tell no in flush out all these people come out. So how come these people don't come back to work? Because we know say these people they very unprofessional. In fact, most of them I'm not sure say they even go school. They just show them Jackie uniform. Make they wear stand for road. All of us know say they don't know work. So I don't see why Governor someone look go carry these people put for road again. If I thought you go put them, orientate them. Make them know their work. No be work where be say no consign them. And they go stand there, they do say they want to do as road. So Governor someone now you this one they go to. Work on this your people, all the officials where they don't they frustrate people. And sooner or later, this one will not see na small thing. So now go hear say person don't they will beat soldier army on top of road because of frustration. So it better now make now fix things now before the matter will escalate. Anyways, my viewers, now here I go drop on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story.